Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, I hope you are not in the rain this time. Yeah, cause it is raining here at the moment. It's been raining since last night. Yeah, you can't really see the other side. We don't really see it. So yesterday, coming from our road trip from Byron Bay, we arrived in the house at around 7-8 o'clock already, and yeah, I sleep right away. And then this morning I wake up already 4 o'clock with the alarm. We're going home right away. We're not going inside. We're going here in the road instead. You're not being true to me. Everything I saw, I wish I could take back time. Impossible to make it, but I wish I could. So back, baby. This is my heart, my heart, my heart. OMG, oh. So bad, look at that, the wind is strong also. And I'm feeling that the water is already inside my shoes. No good. Oh, fun. Gonna hang it up forever. That time, impossible to make it, but I wish I could. So bad, baby. And the wind is against me. Finally, we are up here, very near now to the house. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Today I started at 6 and I finished just now 2:11 when I signed out. Yeah, there was a rain this morning. Just now it is stopped, and look at that blue sky, but the other side are still dark. Looks like it's going to rain again. I don't really feel good today. I'm very hungry. Yeah, and there's so many things to do. We are transferring some of the stuff to the other kitchen because there will be a renovation in the coming days. We are going to have a new kitchen in the coming months or weeks. Yeah, very hungry, very tired, but it's all right. We maybe are going to stop in this Corlet store. We buy something ready to eat. I can't remove this mask because of the tie of the helmet. So I got this fish and chips. This is going to be my lunch. We are home. It is already 2:40. Yeah, I'm really very hungry. This is the fish and chips. Okay, so I'm just going to eat this and maybe I'm going to sleep or in the computer, I don't know. Probably I will sleep. Yeah, the sun is showing a little bit. I'm very sleepy. Yeah, I finished this. I'm going to wash it later. Yeah, I'm very sleepy. I'm thinking of taking a shower and sleep. or sleep now. It's time by Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Yeah, 2 o'clock when I sign out. Actually 2:15. I am tempted to buy fish and chips from that store, but I just had fish and chips yesterday, and the same like yesterday. Yeah, we are doing moving. Yeah, we are moving to our other kitchen. That's why, yeah, I am tired and hungry again. Yeah, and yeah, we are going to the town center because, yeah, I'm going to Walmart. I'm going to buy roasted chicken. Yeah, because I'm very hungry, also very tired, the same like yesterday. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. And yeah, we are still wearing masks while working, and it is not good to work when you are wearing mask because you can't smell the food and you can't also taste the food. That's why I'm very hungry, because usually when I am working, from time to time I am tasting the food, but yeah, but because I have mask, you can't do that. I mean, it is hassle to take off the mask, touching the mask. So yeah, it feels like better not to taste, or you know. Oh, look at that, the tree. The trees doesn't have leaves anymore. Okay, we're just going to buy yeah, chicken inside. Yeah, everyone that I'm seeing are wearing masks because very strict now. I heard from chef that there is around more than 100 new cases today in Sydney. Yeah, in Sydney, and around 50 of those are outside. I mean, they are not in quarantine, so it's not good situation these days. I got the chicken inside my backpack. Yeah, this is the mask from our restaurant, from the kitchen. Basically, we are using this when we are cleaning the hot plate. When we are using the chemical to clean the hot plate. And look at this. This the chips or the French fries from yesterday. Yeah, I just leave it here from last night. Yeah, because last night was very tired, so I just took a shower, and then I stay in the bed and I fall asleep at around already 4 o'clock. Yeah, and I wake up at around 11 o'clock in the night. I was thinking of getting off the bed and stay in the computer, but yeah, I stay on the bed, but it's very difficult to sleep, go back to sleep. Yeah, because that sleep from 4 o'clock to 11 is already complete. Yeah, so from 11 to 4 o'clock this morning, yeah, my sleep is not perfect. I mean, I wake up from time to time. Yeah, I feel like I didn't sleep. Yeah, this 11 o'clock last night until 4 a.m. when I set my... Yeah, but today, not today. Today I'm in good feeling, and yeah, I'm going to organize the house. I'm going to clean the house, but I don't have rice. Even this I didn't touch yesterday after eating. So messy, not good. guys. It's actually already 2:20. I was not blocking. I was just inside my room and doing the computer things. Yeah, just the usual editing and researching. And I also did my laundry outside. Some of those are my apron and jacket and the trouser. The others, the daily t-shirt clothes, already inside. I'm going to pull it later. And I went outside and I got this. This is my driver's license. I mean, it's a learner's license. I got it now. And you know, after coming back from the travel with Inigo, I went to work, and then I was keep on searching for a driving school here in Nelson Bay. But there are around six, but most of them are busy. I mean, fully booked. Yeah, a lot of people are trying to learn how to drive. Yeah, the next vacant is next week. But yeah, I'm still looking, I'm still searching, hoping that I will have a driving lesson very soon, because I am on vacation, 4 days holiday, and then working again for 4 days, and then 1 week holiday. Amazing. I was putting my new license to my to my wallet, and then I received a call, and it's the driving instructor. Yeah, nice. So basically, I saw his website and I sent him a message. Yeah, I explained my situation, and yeah, I got his call. He said he's going to pick me up tomorrow, 12 o'clock. Nice.